intercept form. And what is intercept form? And x by a plus y by b equals to 1. X by a plus y by b equals to 1. And you observe this one. And one pointer passes through only x-axis. And here one pointer passes through only x-axis. And y should be equals to 0. One pointer passes through only x-axis. Then y equals to 0. Only passes through x-axis. Then y equals to 0. And here one pointer passes through x-axis. Only this is the p of x comma y. And this position are x, this position are y. This position are x, this position are y. One pointer passes through only x-axis. Then y position are equals to 0. At the same time, one pointer passes through y-axis. Then x position are 0. X position are 0. One pointer passes through only x-axis. X position equals to a. And y position are 0. And y position are 0. And one pointer passes through only y-axis. X position are 0. One point r passes through only x-axis. Y position are 0. At the same time, one pointer passes through only y-axis. Then x position equals to 0. X position equals to 0. And x1 p of x1 q of x2 comma y2. What is the slope form? And according to same, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1 form. You know that form. Then y minus y1, then m equals to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Same proof. Proof also same. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And m equals to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Then m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 form proof are. Both proofs are same proofs. Both proofs are same. Here this is the x1 y1 and this is the x2 y2 and this is the x2 y2. What is the value of y2? B. What is the value of y1? 0. What is the value of x2? 0. What is the value of x1? A minus b by a minus b by a. And this is the 2-point slope form. This is the 2-point slope form. And here a comma 0 and 0 comma b 2-point slope form. And x1 equals to a, y1 equals to 0. And here x2 equals to 0, y2 equals to b. And what is the 2-point slope form? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here y2 value b, y1 value 0, x2 value 0, x1 value a minus b by a. And what is the point slope form? Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. And what is the value of y1? 0. What is the value of m? Minus b by a. And what is the value of x1? A, x minus a. And shifted to RHS side. Y minus 0 value? Y minus b into x minus a. And you observe this one. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here m value m minus b by a. Here m value minus b by. Here m equals to minus b by a. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. And y1 value 0. And x1 value a. And m value minus b by a. Y minus 0 equal to minus b by a into x minus a. And a is shifted to LHS side. A into y. Then y minus 0 value y. A into y equals to minus b into x. And minus into minus. minus into plus minus bx, minus into minus plus ab ay, and bx plus ay equals to ab. AB divide on both sides. 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 And bx plus ay equals to ab. And ab divide on both sides. Bx by ab plus ay by ab. AB by AB 1. A and A are cancel. B and B are cancel. Then x by A plus y by B equals to 1. X by A plus y by B equals to 1. And this is the intercept form. And what is the intercept form? X by A plus y by B equals to 1. You draw the x line and you draw the y line. One pointer passes through only x-axis. Y position are 0. One pointer passes through only y-axis. X position are 0. Here point A comma 0. And here point 0 comma B. And this distance A and this distance B. A comma 0 0 comma B. M equals to y2 minus y1 b minus 0. x2 minus x1 0 minus a minus b by a. And y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. And y1 equals to 0. M equals to minus b by a. x1 equals to a minus b by a into x minus a. Then y minus 0 value y. A is shifted to LHS side. A into y equals to minus bx. Minus into minus plus minus bx plus ab. Bx plus ay equals to ab. And here divide with ab on both sides. Ab by divide by bx by ab. Ay by ab. Ab by ab. Ab by ab are 1 here. B and B are cancel. A and A are cancel. X by A plus y by B equals to 1. X by A plus y by B equals to 1. This is a proof. First one, you draw the x-axis, you draw the y-axis. One pointer passes through only x-axis, y position are 0. One pointer passes through only y-axis, x position are 0. And what is the 2-point slope form? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. B minus 0, 0 minus a, minus b by a. Then m value is minus b by a. And here x1 value a, y1 value 0. What is the slope form? Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Substitute the formula and divide with ab on both sides. Bx by ab, b and b are cancel. Ay by ab, a and a are cancel. Ab by ab 1. X by a plus y by b equals to 1. And this is the intercept form. And this is the intercept form. And this is the intercept form. Next one, normal form. Normal form. And this one, normal form. What is the normal form? What is the normal form? What is the normal form? Here 0 to p, p cos alpha, comma, p sin alpha, 0, a, b. 0 means origin, 0 comma 0. What is the alpha? Angle. Alpha angle, perpendicular. Alpha angle. What is the angle? You observe anytime angle is very easy. You know that angle? What is the definition of angle? And two eyes are connecting. Two rays common ending point are angle. This is angle. Two rays common point, common end point. Two rays common end point. Then you see this chalk piece and left eye and right eye. This is one ray and this is another ray. And this is the angle. and this is the angle. Left to eye, right eye, one ray, another ray, and ending point are angle, alpha be an angle, and perpendicular, parallel, perpendicular and parallel. What is the perpendicular? And you know the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle. What is exterior angle theorem? And you observe this one. You draw the one diagram. And this one is A. Suppose B, C, D. And in triangle, A plus B plus C equals to 180. In straight lines, C plus D equals to 180. C plus D equals to 180 and 180. And A plus B plus C equals to C plus D. Cancel. Then A plus B equals to D. And exterior angle theorem. And you know the triangle, A plus B plus C equals, three angles are 180 degrees equal. And straight lines, C plus D equals to 180. C plus D equals to 180. A plus B plus C equals to 180. C plus D equals to 180. Here C and C are cancelled. Then A plus B equals to D. Two opposite sides are equals to. One exterior angle. Two opposite angles. Two opposite angles equals to one exterior angle. Two opposite angles are equals to one exterior angle. A plus B equals to D. A plus B equals to D.